Finance function and accounting. Finance is the lifeblood of any business organization. Without finance, business cannot be run successfully. Sufficient funds at the required time are the key to success. Finance is the agent that directs the flow of economic activity and facilitates its smooth operation. Accounting involves the creation of financial records of business transactions. Flows of finance, the process of creating wealth in an organization, and the financial position of a business at a particular moment in time. According to John J. Hampton, a prominent academic and author in the fields of business and finance, defined it as the management of the flow of money through an organization. In the sense, it involves the proper custody and authorized utilization of available funds. It is related to procurement of funds and as well as their effective utilization. It covers financial planning, financial forecasting, raising finance, and optimum use of funds. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.